A park in an urban neighborhood might seem like the furthest thing from being in nature. Just stop for 5 minutes to slow down and observe. You might be surprised by what you discover. All around you are invisible worlds just waiting to be explored. A dark-eyed Junko is one of the common birds in North America and can often be seen on the ground foraging for seeds. All birds need 3 basic things from their habitat: food, water, and shelter. If you can find locations that provide any of these 3 things, then you have a front row seat to observe bird behavior. Goldfinches and mourning doves are the vegetarians of the birding world and can often be seen snacking at bird feeders. The most colorful of the chickadees, the chestnut-back chickadee, mixes up its diet with insects and seeds. Often heard before it's seen, it gets its name by its fast chickadee calls. Chestnut-back chickadees will sometimes store food in fall and recover it in winter. A downy woodpecker may give up its location by their shrill call and drumming on trees. A red-shouldered hawk perched on a tree branch keeps an eye out for small mammals or lizards that might make its dinner plate. Having a penchant for spending their time on golf courses, the Canada goose prefers to feed in grassy fields. Ferns are plants that do not have flowers, but that does not make them any less beautiful. This is because they reproduce using spores and not seeds. Flip a fern blade, and you might spot a bunch of spores on the underside. These structures are called sporangia, and when they dry out, they'll break open and release spores into the wind. Lichens can be bioindicators for air pollution such as nitrogen. Some lichens are more sensitive than others. Thus, the types of lichens you see in the preserves will be different than the ones you see in urban areas. A tree trunk on a coastal live oak might just be a tree trunk for the general public, but for curious eyes, you might stumble upon a western tussock moth cocoon, nestled neatly in the crevices of the bark. Sweat bees are usually dark-colored and metallic in their appearance. These bees are solitary, unlike the honeybees we all know. Look closely at the ground and you might see a winter ant slacking on the job. So much for being hard workers. The poster child for butterfly conservation, the magnificent monarch butterfly, can be seen snacking on the nectar of the flower or laying their eggs on milkweed plants. Thank you for watching.